So short announcement at the beginning of these sets of videos. So what we are doing is a charity fundraiser sort of event. By watching these videos, you are indirectly supporting Macmillan Cancer Support. All my income from December will be going and donating to Macmillan Cancer Support in January. So I'd much appreciate it if you hit that big red subscribe button at the bottom, turn on notifications so you know when I upload a video. It should be twice a week, Wednesday and Friday, and make sure you share the video to make more people watch it, to try and raise as much as we can possibly raise this month. It'd be amazing to give lots and lots of money over to charity. Right, so hope you enjoy the video. Make sure you stay tuned for lots of these videos over the course of December.
Hello guys, welcome to a new video on how to type using the one-handed keyboard. So as you can see, my device is very large. It's a 6.1 inch LCD display. So as you can tell, you probably can't reach all the corners if you're a small person with a small hand. No offense to anyone. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold down on the thing that you press for the emojis, which is like a little world icon, and you can click on where you want the keyboard to be, on the left, the right, or the center. And now you can type one-handed. You can still use swipe text if you want. Obviously a lot of people started to use that now, but if you want to use one-handed keyboard, this is how you do it. So you click that keyboard thing at the bottom, and then you can switch to whichever side you want. So I switch to left, and then you can go to the center and then back to right, wherever you want. So it's all suited to your needs. That's very simple, guys. Thank you for watching.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more good content coming soon.